Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be talking about Kaspa, really understanding what's happening with the price of Cas, and of course what to be expecting. Shout out to you guys, for sticking around and showing so much love. Cannot thank you guys enough. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening right now. So I'm sure if you did watch my H bar update, you guys are kind of up to date as to what's happening with the markets. Christmas Eve was great for the overall market. Market saw a beautiful bounce, but Christmas Day market retraced. Obviously, profit taking, manipulation, a lot of these things need to be factored in. But yeah, you're looking at Kaspa obviously down about 2.2% on the daily time frame, holding much better than the broader market right now. But one thing we need to obviously realize is, Kaspa has been on this downwards trajectory over the last few days and showing significant amount of bearish momentum. Yet again, a lot of frustration, of course, within the community. But this is something that a lot of people just need to accept. These are the risk factors that come to it. That does not mean that there's no potential of Kaspa to go up, but it's being very volatile right now, and it's actually not reacting to the market momentum over the last, I would say, 3 to 4 days specifically. I would say actually a week. So showing more significant bearish price action. We're going to talk about the charts, really understand what's happening. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the price is 11.5 cents, down 2.1% in USD. We're up 0.5% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap pretty much hanging around that $3 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $122 million. But if you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance, of course, over the last few hours has been spiking up due to Bitcoin making its way towards the downside. Obviously, yesterday during Christmas Eve, we did see Bitcoin almost retesting six figures. It didn't really manage to break out of that $100,000 price point, but we did come very, very close to that. But since then, market has been pulling down, which of course has been having a negative impact on the broader market. But if you're looking at Kaspa, it has been showing a significant bearish price action, over the last, I would say, few days since breaking below. And again, at this point, it might sound like a broken, I might sound like a broken record to everyone, but at this point, guys, it's literally clearly right in front of us. Of course, you could see, I've said this several different times, the most important level, in my opinion, for Kaspa is to remain above the 17.3 cents. And, the last support, which pretty much you want to call, is the 78.6, where I would love to see the price of Kaspa staying. I've said this several times, but pretty much since breaking below it, you're pretty much back to where we started off. All these massive gains that, Kaspa did make, this is a beautiful bounce that we did see for Kaspa from November 4th all the way, to December 10th. We were hitting some highs that we haven't seen since August. But since then, guys, did not last long. Remember that daily close that I spoke to you guys about, how important it is to, range back and above this key resistance. Never managed to happen. We did get above there, never managed to close above here. And since then, price is pretty much back to, where we were, prior to the U.S. election results. So, all the gains that, were, made for Kaspa have been wiped out that fast. So again, significant amount of bearish price action for Kaspa right now. We're retesting, some of the lows, and obviously we did come very close to that 11.1 cents, support being broken below. We do have significant amount of support around that range. If this support breaks, I've stated to you guys before, we could be retesting the November 5th lows. Yes, that's correct. I still believe that it could be a chance, which is only a 13% drop, because let's face it, Bitcoin drops down a little bit, potentially retest down to that $92,000, 23.6 fib zone support. And Bitcoin dominance goes up to a yearly high. This could bring Kaspa's price down to these levels. And that should just tell you that, we are seeing a lot of bearish momentum on Kaspa side right now. And what really, confirms, how bearish this price action really is, because on the 19th, we broke below, of course, this support, around the 13.5 cents. And I told you guys, you want to see the price of Kaspa at least pushing back, or at least retesting this key resistance. We never even managed to get a retest. Even though, here, let me show you on the hourly time frame. Even though yesterday, like I said, the broader market went up, and we did not even see the 21st of December, wick up to the 13 cents being retested. While the broader market actually went up yesterday, double-digit gains for a lot of coins, but you did not see Kaspa moving. And again, this confirms that we're seeing significant bearish price action yet again. I'm not here to, talk negative about any projects. You guys know this from the beginning, but I will keep it 100% unbiased. If there is significant amount of bearish price action, I'm not going to just say that it's not. It is showing a significant bearish price action. And, for us to, get down to that November 5th levels, it is still a very, very long likelihood. Of course, if we're able to reclaim back above the 13.5 cents range there for weeks, months, that is good, right? But the way it's currently holding, the way it did not react yesterday to the market momentum, is really showing me that, there is potential more downside if we don't hold this support. So if you're a Kaspa holder, you do want to be paying very close attention to the Bitcoin dominance as well as the price of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes down and dominance shoots up to a new yearly high, I am targeting November 5th prices, which are around the 10 cents zone. Again, we're going to take it one step at a time, of course. Let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions regarding Kaspa at this point? What do you think is causing such, a significant sell-off for Kaspa and lack of interest from retail recently? I would love to know your personal thoughts down below. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. Diversify your portfolios. Always do your due diligence and research. Lock those profits in when you see them. Cannot stress this enough. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.